My channel. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be channeling some messages. I channel a lot, honestly, when I'm coloring. So you guys are just going to be watching just like my coloring, I guess. But I'm just going to be channeling some messages here. So yeah, we're just going to see how this goes. If anything resonates, just let me know down in the comments and like the video. Of course, subscribe if you want more content. But yeah, let's see what I can pick up on. So for whatever reason, I keep hearing house. I don't know if somebody's going to be getting a house soon. You could be painting this house. I see somebody painting. I just seen like somebody painting like a nursery. I don't know if you're buying a house because you're having a baby, or you're going to be having a baby after you buy this house. I see maybe you might be putting like, I don't know, like stars on the wall or some type of lights. This could be a dream of yours. An accent wall. What do you call that? Accent wall. You may be working on some type of like accent wall. Is it called accent wall? And I'm hearing dreaming. So if you don't have like some type of decoration, there's some type of decoration that you want to put on your wall to help with your dreaming. That's a message for somebody. Painting. A painting. Okay, different messages. Somebody could be cooking pasta tonight. They just showed me somebody going in a store to get pasta sauce. I'm hearing somebody's ancestor wants them to use like either make up a recipe or use the family's recipe. Somebody could be Italian. Or have like an Italian recipe for their pasta. I'm hearing tap back into your roots, whatever that may be, and that could be for any heritage. Tap back in. It's also like kind of like hoodoo, you know, because like recipes can have form of magic in it, right? Like, you know, your grandma always make the best spaghetti. She used different herbs. She put her love in it, right? While she's making it, she's, you know, imagining people enjoying her food. It's not like a spell, but it's like a spell, right? So nothing to be scared about. It's just, you know, you always like, oh, I love my nanny or my grandma or my granny's spaghetti. And that's because she put her love in it. You could put your love in something you make, so the family can remember you, or your loved ones can remember you, even if it's just your husband or your wife. Sorry guys, let me refocus. So yeah, magic. They just said magic. Basically put your own magic in things. Good intentions, of course. first, you know, even if it's like to heal. If you have like a family member or somebody that you were wanting to heal, you know. I just heard, wow, I just heard autism. But if you wanted to try something to, like, you know, you're in this community where you are doing different things that's outside the norm. Like, you know, you could have tried the medicine. This could be anything. You could have tried the medicine route, the doctor route, and that didn't do anything. And you're just like, I want to try something else. I'm hearing the ancestors say, use your magic. The magic you were born with. You know, cook a dish and use certain spices. Research the spices. And while you're making a dish, picture your loved one healed or feeling better. You have the natural ability to heal. However, you have to tap into that. I'm hearing medicine woman, medicine man. Before there was any medicine, people healed themselves with the herbs. This is for whoever this is for. I don't know, maybe you thought about doing something different, and because you're not getting any results with the way you've been doing something. And it's because it's not meant for it to work that way. It's not meant for it to work that way. So you're not going to get the results that you're looking for until you do something different. Try something different. I just keep hearing try something different. I feel that whoever, like, you've been very meticulous about this. For whatever reason, I feel like this is like a child or just like a loved one that's very near and dear to your heart. But you could have been doing your research over and over and over and over about whatever this is, whatever this may be. And you're not, this could have something to do with the heart. But you're not able to find the cure. Somebody could be like coughing up blood, something about blood. You're not able to find a cure. It's time for you to get in the kitchen. That can be something somebody told to you, like, get in the kitchen. But they meant to cook. This could have been like while they were alive. Get in the kitchen. Now they're saying get in the kitchen and make something that's going to heal your family the right way. Instead of researching medicine, research herbs to heal naturally. Do what's meant. And it's all about intention, right? So even if you're making somebody spaghetti, and I'm going back to spaghetti, but even if you're making somebody spaghetti, and while you're making it, you're stirring it, have the intentions that this spaghetti is going to be magical and powerful and heal. It's going to clean up. I just heard clean up the heart, and I don't know why I'm just like so focused on cleaning up these lines, but it's like clean up the heart, clean up something, clear something up. Clear something up. This can be in regards to like oral health. So something can be dealing with somebody's tooth or teeth. It could be causing them a lot of pain and numbness. And you don't know why, or you don't know how you can help. Or somebody could be having like some type of like numbness in the legs, like, or the limbs, like nerve problems. And you want to relieve that. You want to provide some type of relief. This can make you like really irritated, or the person really irritated from the pain. And you want to provide some type of relief. But you just don't know how. Spirit is saying get in the kitchen. You gotta realize, like, magic is everywhere, right? It's all about your intention. When you blow out your birthday candle, you're doing magic. You're making a wish. That's a form of magic. So don't be so scared over something that you do constantly. I feel an energy of you possibly telling like the doctors or healthcare providers, like, it's not working. And for whatever reason, like, they are just like almost like pushing you to the side because they feel like they possibly have like the degree or the knowledge or the education, which they may do. I'm sure they do. They went to school, right? But sometimes it's something, a lot of times, actually, it could be cured spiritually. Yeah, something about somebody's feet. About their limbs. Maybe not enough blood is getting to it, or it's too much swollen, too much blood. They got to keep their feet up. You may have to stay on the couch. guys, I am going to finish this up. I thank you all for listening. Have a good day.